Thank you. Mr. Speaker, I rise to respond to the question raised by Honorable Tuisawau regarding the state of the bridges and roads infrastructure in remote areas, particularly the Sigatoka Valley Road. Sigatoka Valley Road is 77.16 kilometers in length, of which 24.8 kilometers has been sealed in multiple sections. The seal starts from Sigatoka town till Nreke Village Road Junction, which is approximately 23.1 kilometers. The Raunitongo School, Naviango, the Lemba villages and KS government station sections have also been sealed. Sir, there are 9 bridges and 17 crossings along the Valley Road. It includes the newly constructed and commissioned Matawale Bridge. Recently, works have been completed in upgrading the Tokotoko Ninga crossing and repairs to Nremba crossing. As most of these structures have exceeded the 50 years design, repairs and replacements are being planned to be included. In the budget for the current financial year, sealing works have been planned for earmarked for Koroi Sana village frontage. Survey and design for seal extension works will also be undertaken for Nreke to Nambaka 3-kilometer section and Nambaka to Raunitongo 3-kilometer section in the current financial year. Renewal of Watanambalawi crossing have also been planned for this financial year or earmarked. The approach and deck overlay is required to extend the structural integrity of the existing crossing. Mr. Speaker, sir, the design and specification works of Nangalo crossing near to Nalemba village on the way to Keyasi has been included in this year's program. The replacement of this crossing is required as the existing structure is not able to accommodate storm surges. During floods, there are no alternate routes. Therefore, people are forced to wait until the water recedes. Logging and gravel extraction haulage in the area during rainy weather gives more stress to the current road infrastructure. We will review the timelines for this Nangalo crossing as appropriate, given its critical role as far as the people of Navosa are concerned. To conclude, Mr. Speaker, sir, in the current financial year, FRA has budgeted 120 million for the progressive cyclic and periodic maintenance of road, bridges and jetties infrastructure, 114.5 million for renewal of roads and services, bridges and crossings throughout the 4 divisions, where part of this will cover development of the Sigatoka Valley Road. In addition, the $5 million has also been allocated to PWD to complement the FRA on rural roads, institutional and community roads.
Thank you. Yes, Honorable M. Chan.